Are slow trains in China really convenient? Are they costly? Are they comfortable? Are they faster? Taking a slow train in China is a very adventurous journey. In today's video, I'm taking you into a journey of a slow train in China. Coming from a part of Africa where trains are not a common means of transportation, really makes me want to share my experience in a slow train in China. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, let's travel together. Today, I'm taking you into a journey of a slow train in China. So this is how it looks like. I'm going to... So at this point, I'm giving my ticket and my passport to be checked if it's really valid. Also, I need to put my bag here to be checked if there is any inflammable or weapons inside, so it shouldn't cause an accident. Next, they have to check me if I have anything on me or anything that can cause an accident in the train. They have to check me up. After checking my bag, they discovered a spray inside. I needed to open my bag to show them if it is inflammable or not. It is actually my setting spray. After checking, they realized that it's not dangerous. They decided to give me back. So we are leaving at 9. It was supposed to be 9:06. Now it's like we have shifted to 9:26. So let's move. Have you ever wondered how slow train looks like in China? Today I'm going to take you on the journey of a slow train in China. I'm traveling to a city called Qindao. Qindao is a city close to my city in the same province. So I decided to take you along in this very interesting journey. If you're interested, just keep watching and let's move around together. Guys, it's not very easy to vlog in China because everyone is looking at you and they all like, what are you doing? They don't really care if you vlog, but the eyes alone, because I'm a foreigner, it's wow. So but we move. Let me take you along in the journey of slow train in China. I actually took this slow train once and I was like, no, I cannot do this anymore. I cannot do this anymore. I didn't have a choice at that time, but I said, okay, because of content reasons, I have to take this. So you can see how it looks like here in China. Slow train, let's move. I'm also very curious, guys. Let's move and let's see how slow train is here in China. At this point, we are walking towards the train because it's almost time for us to leave. There, have you seen? Just check out the population down there.
We gotta take a night train to the underground city to rock out this fucking ancient walls. We gotta take a night train to the underground city to make us dream and sit down in reverse. We gotta take all dirty night train.
This whole population are all taking the slow train. Everyone is going to their directions and destinations. I don't know, but we keep moving. We are just going in Qindao, and it's going to take us about almost 2 hours to get to Qindao. As you can see, this is the railway station. Railway road. Yeah, this is how it is here in Weifang city in the Shandong province in China. This is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. As you can see, there are so many roads leading to so many destinations. At this point, we are waiting for the train to arrive. It has not yet arrived, so we are still waiting for it. Our train is going to leave at 9:26, and this is 9:18. I don't know. So this is the slow train, as you can see. Yes. Slow train, unlike the fast train in China, it's actually very cheap. But another disadvantage of a slow train is that it takes a longer time to get to its destination. It's not very convenient in a slow train. The slow train is quite old. The seats inside are very uncomfortable. They look very old, unlike the fast train. So at this point, we are already leaving to Qindao, and there were some things that caught my attention. Seats in the slow train are very uncomfortable. They look so old. People even smoke. Like the amount of people that smokes in the slow train, it's horrible. The whole place is smelling of cigarettes. People eat and throw dirty things in the train. The place is so unhygienic.
You told me you don't really do commitment, trust me. Consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit.
You might be wondering why some people are standing and there are some that are sleeping on the very dirty floor. This is because they took the standing train. The standing train is when you go to pay your train ticket and all the seats are full. At that point, you won't have any choice than to take the standing train. You pay the same amount of money that those that are sitting are paying, but then you stand all through the journey. Yeah, that is what is called standing train here in China. Yeah. So I decided to take you around so you can see how the other side of the train looks like. Hope you're enjoying this video. So we are almost getting to our destination. So here, after using the toilet, which is directly opposite this place, you need to wash your hands. Yeah. We are almost. So at this point, we have arrived our destination, which is Qindao. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this very interesting video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please kindly subscribe and like this video. Share this video if you can. Please, 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 I'm begging you. Share this video to anyone. Share it to your family, your friends. Please help me and share this video. Thank you for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Please, I'm going to also appreciate you leaving a comment below. Tell me what you think about the slow train. Just say something on the comment section, all right? And let's see in the next video.